Hey guys, the Car Guy 9195 here. Well, today, about, 10 minutes ago, I got my truck I ordered. But, sorry I couldn't do the unboxing video because I was too excited to open it. But, I paid $75.95 for it. It's 1/50th scale. It's, truck and cab together are 16 inches long. It's made by the truck company is Komatsu, and it's a Mack Granite, and I got it off of hobbylink.com. Great stuff there. So yeah, here's the truck. So see, it says Komatsu. There are, have the little wires in the back too. The caution lights. The exhaust. These are just some like wooden planks. See? If I can just get it in. No, I'm not gonna get it. It says Talbert. Got the nice wheels. If I flip open the hood, get a nice view of the engine. Here's the front with a wide load sign on. And, yeah. So back here is the lowboy trailer. It says wide load. Like I said, there are the planks there. And if I just lift this up and over, I can put it down, the truck will roll away. Now if I press the little button underneath, hang on. Hang on 1 sec. I push the little button underneath it. Hang on. I take off this piece. Don't worry, it's meant to do that. And I flip these little tailgate things down here. Put the little tailgate things down on. I can put this back on the trailer. However that goes. Right, so today I guess I'll just load a little Hyster forklift. Just take off the blade, one blade. The other blade I lost for it. I'm not sure what scale this is. I think this is like 1/32 or whatever. Safe, just just like to fix the wheels. Yep, see, look, just drive her right up and on to the thing. Let's drive it right up. Okay, now it's on. Just flip these things back. Yes, they do go back. Okay, then I'm back. The truck up. Hook this thingy up. Hang on, I gotta put it down for a second. Just snap that thingy on. And then just back the truck up. Now it's hooked up, just move the little thingy underneath, little hose underneath, and roll away. into just, a little heist there, forklift here.